American and hire American. We will bring back our jobs. We will bring back our borders.
An alliance few could have predicted. Elon Musk, the tech visionary reshaping industries with bold innovation, and Donald Trump, the political heavyweight championing an America First agenda. Together, they've unveiled a groundbreaking plan to bring millions of jobs back to American soil, a move that has electrified workers, industries, and political pundits alike. For Trump, this is a moment to solidify his legacy as the leader who revived the American workforce. For Musk, it's an opportunity to redefine what American manufacturing means in the 21st century, blending cutting-edge technology with sustainability. But beneath the headlines lies a deeper question. Can these two towering figures, with their starkly different approaches, truly align their visions? As factories of the past clash with the industries of the future, this partnership is poised to transform America's economic landscape. But will it deliver on its promise, or will competing ambitions drive it off course? The stakes couldn't be higher. Donald Trump's presidency was defined by a bold economic strategy rooted in revitalizing America's industrial heartland. His America First policies aimed to rebuild domestic manufacturing, protect U.S. industries from foreign competition, and restore pride in American-made goods. From the imposition of steel and aluminum tariffs to sweeping corporate tax cuts, Trump's agenda sent a clear message. The United States would no longer outsource its industrial future. Central to this vision was his promise to bring jobs back to regions devastated by factory closures and offshoring. "We're not just making America competitive again. We're making America proud again," Trump declared during a rally in Michigan. For many, his rhetoric represented a long-overdue focus on the working-class backbone of the nation. However, Trump's approach wasn't without critics. Economists warned that his heavy reliance on tariffs could drive up costs for manufacturers and consumers. Meanwhile, skeptics questioned whether his push for traditional industrial jobs was ignoring the inevitable march of technology. Enter Elon Musk. With Tesla, SpaceX, and a portfolio of transformative ventures, Musk's vision for manufacturing doesn't stop at revitalization. It aims for reinvention. His factories aren't just production lines. They are centers of innovation powered by AI, robotics, and renewable energy. Musk doesn't just want to build for today, he wants to redefine how industries function tomorrow. Their shared announcement of a partnership to bring jobs back to America immediately sparked intrigue. For Trump, Musk was the ideal figurehead, a symbol of American innovation and success, proving that his policies could attract leaders who valued domestic production. For Musk, Trump's economic environment offered the perfect conditions to experiment with a new industrial model, one that merges sustainability with large-scale job creation. Yet their goals are not without tension. Trump's base prioritizes immediate job creation through traditional manufacturing, steelworkers, assembly line operators, and machinists. Musk's approach, by contrast, focuses on retraining the workforce for roles in technology-driven industries, including renewable energy and AI oversight. Can these two visions coexist, or will the gap between the industries of today and the technologies of tomorrow prove insurmountable? Moreover, the partnership underscores a broader question about America's future. Is the revival of manufacturing about returning to old ways or embracing a new era defined by innovation? Trump and Musk's collaboration has the potential to deliver on both fronts, but only if they can align their methods and priorities. As their plan unfolds, it's clear that both leaders see a chance to leave an indelible mark on America's industrial landscape. Whether this partnership becomes a blueprint for a new era of economic growth or a cautionary tale of clashing ambitions will depend on how these two powerhouses navigate their differences. The partnership between Donald Trump and Elon Musk centers on one ambitious promise: creating jobs. But their visions for how to achieve this differ significantly. Trump's approach is rooted in traditional manufacturing, revitalizing industries that have long been the backbone of American labor. Musk, on the other hand, sees an opportunity to build a workforce of the future, one that leverages automation, renewable energy, and advanced technology. Together, they aim to merge these visions into a transformative blueprint for the American economy. At the heart of their plan is the development of a network of green gigafactories. These advanced facilities will produce everything from electric vehicles and batteries to solar panels and autonomous machines, all powered by renewable energy. Musk has pledged to invest billions into these projects, focusing on regions hit hardest by economic decline, such as the Rust Belt and rural southern states. For Trump, this represents a tangible symbol of his promise to bring jobs back to forgotten communities. The plan also includes a significant focus on infrastructure. Trump has long called for an overhaul of America's roads, bridges, and power grids, tying infrastructure investment to economic growth. Musk has embraced this initiative, proposing the integration of Tesla's energy storage systems and solar technology into new infrastructure projects. This synergy not only supports job creation, but also lays the foundation for a more sustainable and efficient energy system. Key to the plan's success is addressing the skills gap in America's workforce. Musk has often emphasized that the jobs of tomorrow will require a workforce trained in robotics, AI, and renewable energy systems. To that end, he has announced plans for a nationwide workforce training program in partnership with local governments and community colleges. These programs will provide training for high-tech roles while ensuring that displaced workers from traditional industries have a path to transition into new careers. Trump's influence ensures that the plan doesn't stray too far from its roots in traditional job creation. His administration has pushed for incentives aimed at hiring American workers, including tax credits for companies that maintain manufacturing jobs on U.S. soil. This isn't just about building factories, it's about restoring dignity to the American worker, Trump said during a recent press conference. For Trump, the optics of thousands of Americans employed in these new facilities are just as important as their long-term economic impact. Still, the plan hasn't been without criticism. Labor unions have raised concerns that Musk's focus on automation could lead to fewer jobs than promised, particularly in regions already struggling with unemployment. Environmentalists, meanwhile, have questioned Trump's commitment to sustainability, citing his administration's mixed track record on green initiatives. Balancing these concerns will be a critical challenge as the partnership moves forward. Despite these obstacles, early signs are promising. Construction on the first green gigafactory in Ohio is already underway, with Musk promising 10,000 jobs upon its completion. The project has generated excitement, with local officials lauding it as a turning point for the state's struggling economy. Meanwhile, Tesla's engineering teams are working closely with federal agencies to ensure that the factories meet ambitious efficiency and sustainability targets. Yet, the partnership remains a balancing act. Trump's emphasis on immediate job creation could clash with Musk's long-term focus on innovation and automation. For example, while Musk advocates for heavy investment in AI-driven production lines, Trump's team is wary of alienating blue-collar workers whose roles could be automated. Another point of contention is the timeline for results. Trump, facing pressure to deliver tangible outcomes before the next election cycle, has urged for rapid construction and hiring. Musk, however, insists that careful planning and technological integration are essential to the project's success. These differing priorities could test the limits of their partnership as the plan unfolds. Ultimately, the success of this initiative hinges on finding common ground between two very different approaches to economic growth. Trump's focus on revitalizing traditional industries and Musk's drive to push the boundaries of innovation must coexist for their shared vision to succeed. This partnership is more than a political or business maneuver. It's a statement about America's future. If successful, it could redefine how the nation balances its industrial past with its technological future. The stakes are enormous, but so too is the potential for transformative change. The partnership between Donald Trump and Elon Musk has sparked both excitement and controversy. While their plan promises transformative change, it also faces significant hurdles and scrutiny from various corners. One of the most pressing challenges is reconciling Musk's focus on automation with Trump's pledge to create jobs for American workers. The green gigafactories are expected to employ thousands, but their reliance on robotics and AI-driven production could reduce opportunities for traditional blue-collar roles. This has raised concerns among labor advocates, who fear the plan may not fully deliver on its promises to struggling communities. Another issue lies in preparing the workforce for high-tech jobs. Musk's proposal to implement retraining programs for displaced workers is ambitious, but questions remain about its implementation. Coordinating with local governments and educational institutions to provide access to technical skills will require time and substantial resources. In areas where educational infrastructure is limited, these challenges could delay the plan's impact. Criticism from environmental groups has also surfaced. Musk's focus on renewable energy aligns with sustainability goals, but Trump's past decisions on environmental policy have raised doubts about the long-term commitment to green standards. Some fear that economic considerations may take precedence over environmental integrity, potentially undermining the initiative's broader goals. On the political front, the partnership has become a focal point for debate. Trump's critics argue that the initiative is primarily aimed at boosting his popularity ahead of the next election, with Musk lending credibility to his policies. At the same time, some progressives view Musk's collaboration with Trump as a contradiction, given the president's divisive rhetoric and mixed record on innovation policy. Even with these concerns, the early stages of the partnership have shown promise. The construction of green gigafactories has already generated economic activity in struggling regions, and Musk's vision for integrating sustainability into manufacturing has reignited discussions about America's industrial future. The collaboration demonstrates the potential of public-private partnerships to address complex economic challenges and create new opportunities. Looking ahead, the success of this initiative depends on their ability to align their goals. Trump's focus on immediate job creation must find harmony with Musk's long-term emphasis on innovation and sustainability. If the partnership succeeds, it could redefine the relationship between industry and government, shaping a more resilient and forward-looking American economy. The Trump-Musk partnership is a bold experiment in fusing traditional job creation with cutting-edge innovation. Trump's focus on reviving American manufacturing and Musk's push for sustainability and technology represent two distinct visions coming together with a shared goal: revitalizing the American workforce. This collaboration has the potential to reshape the nation's industrial future, balancing immediate economic growth with long-term transformation. However, challenges like balancing automation with job creation and addressing environmental concerns will test their ability to deliver. If successful, this initiative could redefine how public and private sectors collaborate, setting a powerful precedent for the next chapter in America's economic story.